Come here. We're going.
Hi, Ellen. This is Nigel Weekly. Today, Ken, we're going to try to catch a...
Oh. Girl, I will cut him. Girl, yes I will. Security. This guy needs to go. Needs to go.
Go!
Betty Crocker.
Oh, my hands are a bit chilly. Out in the Southern Queen Desert.
Steve Owen. Oops. So, who are you? Who are you today?
I'm Steve Owen.
He died.
Oh yeah. I am a crocodile hunter.
No.
Anti-cracker.
Andy.
Oh, Andy Cracker.
Stop making noises. You can't get up.
You film.
Me?
Yeah.
You're the best.
You film.
You killed him, dog. I will probably...